how to archive or unarchive a chat on WhatsApp on your iPhone. So first of all, simply open your WhatsApp, and in here you can see this is the exact chat that I want to archive. So what I'm going to do is long press on the chat, and then from here you'll get this pop-up. Simply scroll down, and in here you can see the option of archive. Simply tap on it, and here you can see the chat has successfully been archived. After doing that, you'll get a archived option right here. You can simply tap on this option. In here, you can see this is the chat that I want to unarchive again. So what I'm going to do is tap on edit right here, then tap on select chat, simply select the chat, and then you can either delete the chat or simply tap on unarchive. And here you can see the chat is now back, and that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.